Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Ramin Zubair from Comsats University, Park Campus, roll number 027, and the topic that I am going to present today is Role of Women in Freedom Movement. Now, independence of Pakistan was marked by the sacrifices of people, be it youth, old people or young people, regardless of their gender. Women also participated in the freedom movement. They were courageous, they were strong, they were selfless, and they stood side by side with men. They were ready to give their sons for the freedom movement as well as they were ready to give their own lives for the independence of Pakistan. Now we are going to discuss few women that played active role in freedom movement. Amma was one of them. Abadi Banu Begum was her original name and she was mother of Maulana Shaukat Ali and Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. She always raised voice against British imperialism. That was when British came to India and ruled over them. She was against it and she supported Khilafat movement and fight for freedom. She encouraged her sons to fight for Pakistan. Begum Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. She was the member of All India Muslim League. She was the first one to address public meetings and she addressed large meetings in various parts of India. She accompanied her husband on all the political conferences. Miss Fatima Jinnah. Miss Fatima Jinnah organized Women's Wing of Muslim League. She was an active member of all the women's committees of the Muslim League. She played an important role in creating awareness among the Muslim women and to encourage them for the freedom movement. She also accompanied her brother Muhammad Ali Jinnah in all the political commitments and she was given the title of Madre Millat. Begum Rana Liaqat Ali Khan. Rana Liaqat Ali Khan formed Women's Voluntary Service and Women's National Guard in 1949. She was the chief controller of these services and the main aim of building these two services was to encourage the women to build a strong Pakistan. She worked as an honorary secretary of Liaqat Ali Khan, who was her husband and also the general secretary of All India Muslim League at that time. She built the first NGO for women, All Pakistan Women Association, APWA. The basic aim of this association was to give social and economic welfare to the women of Pakistan. Till date, this organization is working and has almost 56 different branches in 56 different districts. Lady Nusrat Haroon. She was a member of Pakistan movement in Sindh and also a member of Social Club in Delhi. This club was named after her, Nusrat Club. Later on, this club became the center of activities for all the women for political matters. She was elected for the President of Women for All India Muslim League in 1943 and she remained the Vice President of All India Women Association, APWA, that was established by Rana Liaqat Ali Khan. Begum Shaista Ikramullah. Begum Shaista Ikramullah was daughter of Sir Hassan Sohrawardi. He was the Vice Chancellor of Calcutta University. She was also the member of First Constituent Assembly of Pakistan from 1947 to 1953. She was a member of Advisory Board of Education of Pakistan. She was a well-educated lady and she studied politics. That we have discussed earlier, there were many other names that included Begum Jahan Ara Shah Begum, Salma Tasaddiq Hussain, and many other names. All these women proved that they were strong women, they were ready to fight for the freedom, and they were ready to sacrifice everything for that single nation, Pakistan. Fatma Jinnah once said that there is a magical power in hands of women. Take a vital decision and then stand by them. We have seen in the Muslim history as well as in the history of Pakistan, that women always stood side by side with men and participated in everything. Muhammad Ali Jinnah said, "No nation can rise to the height of glory unless your women are side by side with you."